Alright, this is my favorite breakfast, kind of breakfast bowls. We have those little hash browns, and you can add eggs, sausage, cheese, sour cream. We only had a couple eggs today, so I'm just going to do sausage, the potatoes, cheese, and sour cream is so good. And then, of course, that delicious French toast with the Cinnabon bread. The kids are going to love that. Yeah, it's time to eat some yummy breakfast. So eventually right here we're gonna have a deck. I think I told you guys this, but we're waiting until we get our pool later in the spring, and well, actually it'll be into summer, before we do anything over here, just so we won't be in the way of like whatever they have to do, you know, to put the pool in. So right now, so we can use our gas grill that my dad and Darren hooked up a couple weekends ago. He's just gonna kind of lay some of these bricks down that were left over at the house. So we're just using what we had just to kind of make a little grilling area that we don't have to stand on the grass, and just a little bit nicer. So him and McKenna are gonna come work on this little project. So I'm inside cleaning today, and I want to share with y'all, I have been loving using Dawn Power Wash, y'all, Dawn dish spray, to clean my shower. I just spray it on there, let it sit a couple minutes, scrub it all down, and then rinse it really good with hot water. And I swear it makes the glass and everything shine so much, and it keeps it this way until I clean the shower again. So just in case you haven't tried Dawn dish spray on your shower, y'all try it and let me know how you think it does. But I think it does amazing. So all I'm doing is just cleaning my shower, and I do wipe down the outside with some just regular glass cleaner as well. But like I said, they're working outside, I'm working inside on getting this house clean and everything and back in order. I just told Darren, y'all, this is so funny. I'm inside, cleaning, going to town. You walk out from Ludacris blaring inside to Chris Stapleton. It just went off outside. That's how we roll, ain't it? Also, a little update for y'all that saw us doing our curtains a couple weekends ago. Y'all, they work really good. We sit out here and had our coffee this morning, and that sun coming in from back here is so nice, but it didn't blind us. So yeah, these curtains work really good. We're liking them. Hey y'all, so it's just kind of been a relaxing Sunday today, which we needed. I feel like the past couple weeks I've just been so behind on everything, and I feel like I couldn't get caught up because we've been so busy. We were gone all day yesterday, actually overnight the night before for a dance competition. So anyway, today we've just kind of been trying to get back in order, get ready for the week. Darren's been doing his little project out there with the bricks in the grill area. So we're gonna grill out burgers tonight, and I did just get back from the store. I just went to Food Line. This was mainly like we needed lots of snacks for the kids, that kind of thing, and just things to fill in here and there. I didn't even make a meal plan today. We have some stuff here. I still have a corned beef roast that I bought for St. Patrick's Day and cabbage. I didn't have time to cook it, so I'll do that this week. But anyway, we have plenty of stuff for dinner, so this is just snacks, like breakfast stuff. Mainly a big old junk food haul. So here we go. Alright, so we got these air fried chicken nuggets. Hayden really likes these for her lunch. I cook them in the air fryer, put them in the little thermos, and she likes those. I think they're really good too. McKenna doesn't care for those, but McKenna likes to take these little like stofers. They can use a microwave for their lunches. I don't know if I've said that before or not, but she really likes the home style ones with the breadcrumbs, but they didn't have it, so hopefully that one will be alright. They also requested these little, the yogurt the Yoplait whips. So I got 2 orange, 2 key lime. And then I also saw these mini Cinna sticks. I know they've had these for a while, but I haven't seen the cinnamon icing. I mean, how much cooler could that be with cinnamon icing on a cinnamon roll? I don't know, but they looked good, and the kids requested cinnamon rolls, so I got those. Thought some baked sweet potatoes sounded good for lunches this week. Only a little bit of produce. I got some strawberries. They also look really good. Got some sweet peppers. We do these as like little pepper poppers for everyone because the kids like them since they're not hot, just like a jalapeno popper. Also got some mandarin oranges. Those were on sale. And then just a head of broccoli to chop up. Okay, so these granola bars. I'm excited to tell y'all about these because they are so good. I bought these for the weekend because I always take snacks for dance competitions because we're there for a million hours at a time. But anyway, like I said, they're delicious. They are called Junkless. And they have really good ingredients. I'm not going to go all into it, but y'all can check them out for yourself. But they're so soft. They, to me and McKenna both, we said they taste like a homemade granola bar. You know, if you take oats and honey or whatever else and put it all together, they're super soft and fresh tasting. So I bought the cinnamon roll ones last time just so we could try them, and we really like them. And then this time I also picked up the peanut butter and chocolate chip. And also the price on these is not bad because you get 6 in here, and I think it was 3 or 4 something. But for that price, I was thinking you'd only get, you know, 4 in a box, but you get 6. So that's not too bad compared to some of the more healthy or better ingredient granola bars and protein bars that I've seen. So anyway, got those. Also got some Cheez-It little packs. This is all going to go down here in our snack cabinet. I'll show y'all that. The girls love to organize it. Got a variety pack of chips. And let me just say, I love that they've started putting these in the boxes now instead of those big bags. Like, good idea. That's been needed for a while, so you don't get your chips all crunched up. Also, the girls really like these Uncrustables. I know I can make them myself, but y'all, ain't nobody got time for that. Sometimes you pay for convenience, and that's what I'm doing. Also, we got some of these sweet and salty mix. I also bought these over the weekend, and the kids like those too. They have the animal crackers, the fudge strip cookies, and then the cheese balls in there. So, got some more of those because they can take those for school. And then, let's see, got some goldfish, some pita crackers, and cream cheese. That was a request from McKenna. She likes to dip those in there. I don't know where she gets that from. And then, let's see, cereal. Hayden requested Cocoa Pebbles. McKenna requested Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And also, this was so weird. Okay, y'all see the 2 boxes. I know these are not like the same brand or same even company or anything. But the large Cinnamon Toast Crunch was on sale, and so was the small one. But the large size was on sale for cheaper than the small one. How does that even make sense? So obviously, I got the big one. I don't know if that was a mistake, but whatever. Got some more creamer. Also, I need to go to Sam's and get some more maple syrup, but this was on sale, so I got that just to get through the week at least. Like I said, we're going to be doing burgers tonight. Got buns for that. I got 85.15 ground beef because that was on sale. And then Hayden also requested this exact chip, Tostitos Scoops. She likes to take those with these little cheese dips like nachos for lunches sometimes. And then these eggs were on sale. I was pretty happy about that for about $3 and something. And then they had a lot of meat on sale, and I saw this pork shoulder butt that normally is $23 and it was on sale for $10.81. So I thought I would grab that. We can put it in the freezer and Darren can smoke this up one weekend or something like that. So anyway, here is my little stock up / kids lunches, snacks, junk food haul. There you go. What is that? You want to ask Siri. Don't even have Siri, I have an Android. Hold on. It ain't focused. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm holding on.
Be still. Wait! I can't focus it because you're moving it! They really gotta see this burger being pressed. They ain't never seen that before. Never seen a burger being pressed like this. Wait. Why won't it focus? It's so blurry. Maybe it's my eyes. No, because I know your eyes can't look at it. Maybe I get up close. How many years have I been doing YouTube?
I don't know.
Before that, didn't I do photography? But I don't even know how to work a camera. I don't even know how to focus it. Wait, how come it won't focus?
I don't know. Turn it off and turn it back on. You gotta set it up.
I think I got it. But let me get back to it. I got it! Pressy press, A! Bussy bus, A! Look at that. Not for all that work. They would have missed that. Oh, look at the muscles. Alright, for our seasoning, we're going to use this smoky burger seasoning. Again, I can't remember if I've showed y'all this or not, but we have tried it a couple times and it's really good. Oh, I think I showed y'all this on the burger in a bowl I did for meal prep one day, but since then we've used it on just regular grilled burgers, and yeah, it's really good. You don't Worcestershire?
Wash your sister.
You don't wash your sister sauce? Who says that?
Hussy.
A lot of people. And Hungry Hussy. Let us know if y'all watch Hungry Hussy. We love him. He lives in North Carolina. Oh, you nasty.
I'm gonna lick it clean.
Mm-hmm. Good idea. Does anybody know, what was that show we used to watch on Food Network? Why does that thing come on all the time? Did you start it?
No, I probably leave
it. It runs all the time. It is coming on. That's why I don't never know if it's clean or not. Did anybody watch that show? Let me press cancel. Let me press cancel. Get out of here if you need. Anyway, the third time. Did anybody watch that show on Food Network? The Neelys. Remember them?
Yeah.
One actually had, never mind. I won't be nice. I know, I don't think they're together anymore, but their show was really good. And they would cook together, and she would always say she was a spice fairy. So that's what I think of every time he's grilling. And I'm like, can I put the seasoning on it? I like to be the spice fairy. Buns. I mean, we got chips. I was gonna buy French fries, but since we done had potatoes one time today, I don't know if we wanted fries. But, I mean, what else do you want?
Why don't you make me a drink?
Alright, Darren told me to make him a drink. I never ever make these. He told me very quickly how to do it. So we're gonna see how it turns out. He has these little fancy ice cubes. You can get ones that make round ice cubes or square. By the way, this is called an old fashioned, if you're wondering what kind of drink this is. It's like his favorite. Alright, ice cube. So we don't have any oranges. We do have little mandarins that I just bought though. I know this is a lime juicer. And I know I'm also doing it upside down. Next, you use these bitters. I don't know how much. I think just 2 or 3 drops, he said. That's a little bit more than 2 or 3, but looks good to me. Hello. Why you guys scoop it? Oh. If you want to be right, make yourself.
Just taste it.
It's so nasty. I mean, it tastes like you're licking the inside of a dresser at an antique store. That's what it smells like. Is that what you like? Apparently.
Why do you think I always want to go antiquing?
No.
It only looks good because
Oh, you did a good job. All right, I thought I would show y'all a little update. Feel cool. It's like my beeper. I got a beeper. It's my beeper. It says
I'm gonna text you. I'm gonna
411.
143.
Oh, okay. But anyway, this is my little thing I showed y'all the other day. It's called a Fitbud, 3D Fitbud. It's just a basic pedometer. I got it on Amazon, and it really does work. I told y'all I'd update y'all. And I put it on this morning, and I like ran around and counted my steps, and it was pretty accurate. So I'm excited to get my 10,000 steps in. And if you're wanting to count your steps, like Fitbits, obviously Apple Watches and all that stuff are expensive. This is $24.99. All right, so here's the little girls. So I was trying to say the girls' little snack drawers.
It's mine too.
Yes, a bunch of junk, but it's all organized and cute. We got all our chips, or do you want to tell us?
We got like our cookies and we got our chips.
All the chips, cookies, all that good stuff. So in the mornings, it makes it easier, don't it? Just to grab and go. When we're packing up stuff.
And then that here's just like a bunch of random stuff that didn't really have a category. We got some ramen, some granola bars.
Look, y'all. Literally grab and go.
Oh yeah, grab and go. And we put the rest that don't fit in our stock pantry.
And then we have like some just random stuff
Some randos.
that we still had. And then we have some more
Goldfish.
chips.
We got some mac and cheese cups, some rice cups they take for lunch,
Oatmeal.
and more rice cups, crackers, granola bars, all that good stuff.
Also, have you showed them these
Yes.
before? They're
Yes.
so good.
They are really good. I told them they're good.
Hayden don't need those.
And then we also have our other pantry, but this is just our, like I said, kind of morning grab and go area. It makes packing lunches and snacks super easy, right? All right, friends, thank you for joining me today. We had our burgers on our gas grill, and we forgot just how good a regular old burger is on a regular old grill. We love our smoker, but we're so happy to have our gas grill again. But thank you for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all real soon in my next one. Bye, y'all.